how to fix the Uber Eats promo not applied to iPhone. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Uber Eats promo not applied to iPhones. If you're worried that a promotion or offer didn't apply to your order, check the order and promo details by following these steps in the app. First, tap the profile icon at the bottom of the main screen and tap Promotions. Next, review the Past Promotions section to confirm which promo applied to the order in question. Then tap View Receipt to see the associated order receipt. If the promo is applied successfully, it should appear in the order charge breakdown in your cart. If the promo was added to the order but the discount didn't apply, fill out the form below and it will look into the issue. Promos must meet certain qualifications to apply, and each promo has its own terms and conditions. Make sure you're using the promo in the applicable location and currency before the expiration date. To see a list of all promos available to you, go to the Past Promotions section of the app. You will see promo details, including the expiration date, the location where the promo can be used, and which merchant is offering the promo. Some promo codes can be used only once. Any leftover credit on a single promotion won't apply to future orders. Promos should be added before placing the order. For loyalty points-based promotions, the points can take up to 3 hours to appear on your profile.